Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about a question of CSIR Net Life Science. The question is on your screen. This question is based upon AIMS test. So I will first talk about AIMS test, and after that the answer will be given at the last of this video. So the question arises, why do we perform AIMS test? So AIMS test is performed to check whether the chemical is a mutagen or not. So what do we do in this test? First of all, we take an auxotropic strain of Salmonella typhimurium bacteria. Auxotropic strain, here it refers to some genes have been mutated. For example, here the gene for histidine has been mutated, and that's why this auxotropic strain of Salmonella typhimurium can't synthesize histidine amino acid. If it does not synthesize histidine amino acid, then it will not be able to grow, because we know that proteins are made up of amino acids, and without protein no organism can grow. Okay, similarly here, due to the presence of histidine negative, it is not able to make histidine amino acid, and that's why it will not grow properly. So what happens, what do we do here, that we take a petri dish and we take the chemical here, and then we leave it for 2 days at 37 degrees Celsius. So after that we observe that whether the colony is growing or not. So we have taken the auxotropic strain in this minimal media. Okay, if the chemical is a mutagen, then it will convert the histidine negative into histidine positive. Okay, but if the chemical is not a mutagen, then histidine negative will not convert into the histidine positive, and no growth will be observed. Okay, so here, if the chemical is mutagen, then the colony will be observed after 2 days. Okay, here the minimal media refers to such media in which such culture media in which something is missing. Okay, we have taken some limited numbers of amino acids or nutrients. Okay, we have not taken histidine amino acid here, and that's why histidine will not be utilized from this media. Okay, so the only source is if the histidine negative is converted into the histidine positive. So in this way, in the AIMS test, we observe, or we get to know whether the chemical is a mutagen or not. And here the auxotropic strain of Salmonella typhimurium is taken, which is histidine negative, and if no growth is observed, it means chemical is not a mutagen. If chemical is a mutagen, then histidine negative will be converted into the histidine positive, and in this way Salmonella will be able to grow, and we will observe the colony. In some cases, what happens, that the rat's liver homogenate is added to the minimal media, because some chemicals are in inactive form, but the liver enzymes make them active. So that's all about AIMS test. I hope you got it completely. So here the answer will be option C. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.